Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass Z series by ARE. It's 09 to 14 Ford F-150 with a 5.5 foot bed. Dark charcoal in color, pretty decent shape, not a lot of damage on this one. Looks good shape. A little scuff mark right there. That would probably buff out. The top edge on this side look really good. No damage there. A little bit of oh, there it is. A couple stone chips right there. A little bit of water spots because we washed it and didn't dry it off. Down through there, the bottom edge looks in good shape. A little bit of a scuff mark on the corner there. Down through here, the bottom edge looks really good. Not a lot of damage on that. It does have the frameless side tip-out windows on the side. Has a sliding window in the front. Just a little bit of paint scratches right there. Oh yeah, this one has been painted. It was originally, looks like it originally was black, and they've been painted it charcoal gray. So you can see that they painted. You couldn't see it from the sides, but you can see it down through the top. Took a couple chips right there, but really, in all honesty, I mean, you're never going to see the top of it anyway. So, chip right there. Doesn't really matter what color the top is too much. Being black, that's good. Bottom edge on this front looks good. Sliding window opens. Allows you to slide the window open, access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. Closes back up, seals up like so. You can see, maybe see the paint color difference. It's not too bad. You got dark charcoal and a black, so that's pretty close. But there's not a lot of damage on the paint. The paint looks good. Side looks good. Not a lot of damage over here. Bottom edge on this one looks really good. It's actually in really good shape. The side also has the frameless side tip-out windows on it. Single T-handle frameless rear door. Back edge looks good. Nice thing, they rolled the paint clear up to the top so you can't see it where they changed the color. Third brake light. T-handle opens up. Carpeted on the inside. Let's have some screens. Screens are in good shape. No holes in the screens that I can see. Sliding window. Screens on this side are in good shape. No holes on this side either. So there's a tip out window, so what that means is just twists open like this. That window pops out. You can see there on the side, it opens up for ventilation and then closes back up like that. Serial number was built specifically for a 2009 Ford double cab extra short F-150. UA black is what it originally was. So that's the top of it, UA black, but it's been changed to charcoal gray. So it fits the 09 to 14 on that body style. There it is. We got a cab high ARE Z series. Fits the 09 to 14 F-150 double cab with the extra short bed, so the 5.5 foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website. You can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done through that link there below. There's also a link to our website in general, so if it's just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, those can all be purchased online there as well. Also subscribe below to keep up to date on our inventory coming in. As it comes in, we typically film it and get it up online right away. So if you're looking for something specific, that'll help you keep up to date on what's coming in. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.